SPEC Mix brings you 4 mortars that rock. SPEC Mix thick bedding and thin bonding mortars are your solution for optimal performance with any adhered masonry veneer application. Starting with our thick bed adhered veneer mortars. SPEC Mix adhered veneer mortar meets ASTM C270, specifically designed to be used as a scratch coat, bond coat, and jointing mortars in lightweight manufactured adhered veneer masonry unit applications. SPEC Mix polymer modified adhered veneer mortar is the thick bedding mortar with grip, meeting ASTM C270 and ANSI 118.4 standards. It is designed to be used as a scratch coat, bond coat, and jointing mortar in any thin masonry veneer application, and is specifically recommended when placing natural thin cut stone masonry and or adhering directly to properly prepared concrete or concrete masonry units. Introducing SPEC Mix Thin Veneer Adhesion Mortar XP400, meeting ANSI 118.4 standards and backed by a 3 or 5-year warranty. XP400 is specifically designed as a cementitious adhesive for thin veneer masonry units. The mix with extreme board life and maximum bond strength for thin bonding adhered veneer applications is SPEC Mix Thin Veneer Adhesion Mortar XP500, meeting ANSI 118.15 standards. XP500 provides superior adhesion and low sag for the most challenging applications. Best of all, it's backed by 15 and 25-year warranties. Any application method, unit type, or substrate, SPEC Mix is your source for high-performance masonry adhered veneer mortars.